Have you ever wondered about the benefits of eating salmon every day? Picture this, a meal that doesn't just satiate your taste buds, but also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. That's exactly what salmon brings to your plate. This delicious and versatile fish is a nutritional powerhouse with a plethora of health benefits. From heart health to brain function, salmon is a one-stop solution for a healthier you. So, let's dive into the 9 reasons why you should incorporate salmon into your daily diet. First and foremost, salmon is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids. These power-packed compounds are essential for your body and brain, playing a crucial role in maintaining your overall health. They're like the secret superheroes of your diet, fighting inflammation and lowering blood pressure. By consuming salmon regularly, you're giving your body a natural, delicious dose of these beneficial nutrients. It's like fueling your car with premium gas. So, for a healthy heart and mind, salmon certainly ranks high. Secondly, salmon is packed with B vitamins. These vital nutrients play a key role in converting the food we eat into energy, creating and repairing DNA, and reducing inflammation that could lead to heart disease. Eating salmon can certainly help in maintaining good health. Thirdly, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein. This vital nutrient plays a crucial role in our bodies, aiding in healing after injury, safeguarding bone health, and preserving muscle mass during weight loss and the aging process. So for those looking for a protein boost, salmon is a great choice. Fourthly, salmon is rich in potassium. This vital nutrient is key in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and ensuring our body cells function optimally. It's a silent hero in our health journey. So for a potassium-rich food, look no further than salmon. The list doesn't end here. Salmon is also rich in antioxidants, aids in weight control, promotes eye and skin health, and can reduce the risk of heart diseases. Let's dive deeper. The antioxidants in salmon, like astaxanthin, combat inflammation and protect your cells from damage. They're like your body's very own superheroes, warding off the villains that are free radicals. Now let's talk weight control. The high-quality protein in salmon helps regulate the hormones that control appetite and make you feel full. So a salmon dinner could mean fewer late-night fridge raids. Moving on to eye health, salmon's omega-3s are vital for maintaining and improving vision. Incorporating salmon into your diet could be like giving your eyes a well-deserved tune-up. And for those seeking a natural glow, salmon might just be your answer. The fish's omega-3 fatty acids help keep your skin moisturized and flexible. It's like a spa treatment, straight from your plate. Lastly, but certainly not least, salmon is a heart hero. Its omega-3 fatty acids can reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, 2 big players in heart disease. It's like having a heart health insurance policy, one delicious bite at a time. Clearly, the health benefits of salmon are plenty and varied. So, should you be eating salmon every day? The answer is a resounding yes. We've spent the past few minutes diving into the health wonders of this powerful superfood. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, a crucial component for maintaining a healthy heart and mind. It's a powerhouse of B vitamins, essential for energy production and optimal brain function. Let's not forget the high-quality protein content, which supports muscle health and growth. Plus, the potassium and antioxidants found in salmon promote overall wellness, from weight control to eye and skin health. Not to mention, regular consumption can even reduce the risk of heart diseases. Incorporate this superfood into your diet and enjoy the health benefits it brings. Remember, your health is your wealth.